Hi, this is the corrections to the homework that I gave you on Sunday. Number A, to your homework, we have 4 into x squared plus x minus 2. So, and I asked you to simplify using what we call a distributive property. Distributive okay, sorry, this is a B distributive law. Okay, now how do you solve this equation using distributive property? So the term distribute means that you have to take the outside term multiplied throughout your brackets. Okay, so in this case we have 4 multiplied by x squared. We are going to have 4x squared. Then we take 4, we multiply it by x, we are going to have 4x, and we are going to have 4 multiplied by negative 2, then we have negative 8. So this will be your final answer, and you have successfully distributed the 4. Okay, now number B, I also gave you 3 into 3 minus x plus x squared. So the instruction is still the same. Use distributive property to solve this. So 3 multiplied by 3, if you press your calculator, you're going to get a 9. 3 multiplied by negative x, you're going to get negative 3x. If you take 3, you multiply by positive x squared, you're going to get positive 3x squared. So you have successfully distributed the 3 into your brackets. Okay, now let's look at the third one. C. Number C, you have 10 into 3x squared minus x plus 2. So you're supposed to distribute the 10. So 10 multiplied by 3x squared there. So you're going to get 30x squared. 10 multiplied by negative x, you're going to get negative 10x. 10 multiplied by positive 2, you're going to get positive 20. And this is your answer. Okay, now when we move on, I also gave you a set of fractions to solve. Okay, now we have x to the 6 minus x squared over x squared. So what did I do? What did I say? The first step is I said to separate the fraction. Okay, so you're going to write x to the exponent of 6 divided by x squared minus, so this negative that I'm writing here, we take it from the fraction itself. So it is the same negative there. Okay, so now on the second fraction, second part of the fraction, we have x squared divided by x squared. Okay, so now from here, x to the exponent of 6 means that x multiplied by itself 6 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 divided by x squared, meaning that x multiplies by itself twice, then minus x times x divided by x times x. So this x will take that one out, this x will take that one out. So this will take that, this one will cancel that. So now we are going to be left with what? On the numerator here, we have 4 times x's. So it's going to be x to the 4 because you multiply x by itself 4 times. Minus, when any number divide by itself, you are going to get a 1. Okay, now you have simplified this equation. So let us look at another one, b, which is x to the 5 minus x cubed, everything divided by x squared. What will you get? First step, separate the fraction. So we have x to the 5 over x squared minus x cubed divided by x squared. So from here, since it's x exponent of 5, you write x 5 times. So x multiplied by itself 5 times divided by, so since it's x squared, it's x multiplied by itself twice minus x times x times x over x times x. So this x will take that x out, so this x will divide that x out. What are we left with? X times itself 3 times, so it's x cubed. So x will cancel that x will take out that x. So we are left with x. And this will be the simplified value of that expression. Okay. The last one that I gave you was C, where you have x to the 7 minus x cubed divided by x to the 5, which is equals to x to the 7, you need to write it 7 times. Okay, so far we wrote it 5 times, 6 and 7 divided by x times x times x times x times x minus x cubed, meaning x multiplied by itself 3 times